everyone, I'm Bridgetta, and behind the camera is Mark, my husband. And today's recipe is called baklava, and it's inspired by a trip we took over to Tarpon Springs, which is on the west coast of Florida, north of Clearwater. And we had a wonderful meal there. It's a Greek community, and there's lots of shops and lots of places to eat and lots of sights to see. So today it's baklava cups. What you're going to need is phyllo shells, and then today I've decided to use 4 different nuts. We have pistachios, almonds, walnuts, and pecans. You're also going to need honey, cinnamon, salt, and butter. What I've done is I've measured out about a 1/4 cup of each of the 4 nuts I'm using. Now if you want to, you could just use 1 nut, 2 or 3, but I decided to go with 4 for a real variety of taste. I've also gotten out my phyllo shells, and this is what they look like. So the hard work of making the phyllo dough is done for you, which makes it so much faster. This package, made by Athens, the phyllo shells are found in the freezer section of your grocery store. So I've also got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. It's ready to go. And now I'm going to chop the nuts. What I need is a total of 1 cup. So if I don't have enough here, I'll add a little bit more of each. And then I'll mix them with my other ingredients and then put them in the shells, bake them in the oven, and they're done. So let me go ahead and start chopping. So as you can see, the phyllo shells are small, so you need your nuts small also. If they're too big, it's going to take up too much room. You're not going to be able to get everything in there. This should all be a cup once I get it all in there.
That's incredible. How did you know that was exactly a cup when you poured those nuts on the board?
Because I measured them out, about a 1/4 cup of each one.
A cup.
Or should I just say it was magic?
I like magic.
Okay, you like that answer better?
Wow, that's impressive.
Okay, so now I'm going to move my bowl in. I'm going to move my board away. And we're going to put everything together in the bowl. So start with our cup of nuts. I love the green ones. I have melted butter. That's 1 tablespoon. I have cinnamon. That's a 1/4 teaspoon. Now honey. Before I fill this 1/4 cup with honey, I'm going to spray it.
Well, that's a good idea.
Because I want the honey to come out easily. Now, if you can measure this by eye, you're doing better than me. And it comes right out. Just about all of it. Okay, now we're going to mix. Okay, this should all be evenly coated now. You're going to put about 2 teaspoons in each shell. Thank you very much. Now they are sticky. You're going to have to kind of push it in with your finger. So I think it's much easier to pick them up.
Oh, that's smart.
Bring the shell to the bowl. You can actually fit in more than you think you can. It's okay if it looks a little overly full, just press it down. So I'll come back and probably add more to those first few. So Mark, what did you like about Tarpon Springs? You said you always wanted to go. You had never been there before, neither have I.
Well, it was a bit of a tourist trap, but it was really neat. Rich in Greek culture. They're known for sponge fishing fleet,
yeah.
where they go out and cut the sponges out of the floor of the ocean. So that was pretty cool to see. The restaurants and the shops were amazing. We had some really great Greek food. In particular, we had Greek coffee, which is a lot like Turkish coffee.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, probably the best cup of coffee I ever had was there in Tarpon Springs. Just amazing.
I want to try and get all of this in. Definitely worth the trip for us. So if you're in the area, I'd say check it out. Of course, here in Florida, I don't know about anywhere else. During the year, there's Greek festivals. We've been to those, right? It's been a long time.
All right, let's put these in the oven.
Wait, I want to get the last little bit in.
Save some, I'll eat some.
Okay. Now I've got to clean my fingers off. They're covered in it. And then we'll put it in. Let's see, I think it's only for 10 minutes. Yep.
I thought the other ones were overcooked.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, they were over toasted.
Okay. See, I didn't think they were. All right, let's
The extra pan
do
on the bottom.
from when I had pizza earlier. Okay. All right, cook time, let's say 8 minutes. All right, now you can snack. Ooh, they're moving. No. Okay. So they cooked for 8 minutes.
They didn't stick to the pan.
They definitely didn't stick to the pan. But fix
Ooh, I
that.
can feel the heat off of them.
Yeah.
Probably like lava will burn your face off.
Yep. Okay, each one's gonna get a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna top it with honey. And once they cool down, then we'll give a taste test. There we go. We'll let them sit for a few minutes so we don't burn our mouth. Well, now we're ready to try the phyllo. Nope, we're not ready to try that.
What? Where's the box?
I moved to Baklava Cups. Well, here, I can put it in the stand.
That's okay.
Okay. Now we're ready to try.
Let me look up.
Now we're ready to try the Baklava Cups, a little mini dessert. Okay.
Oh, these look heavenly. Look at these.
The phyllo dough.
Oh my gosh.
Crunchy. I always take too big of a bite. It's really good though. Crunchy, a little sweet, a little salt. So there's lots of options you can make with that, but this was so easy. You can make this the same day as you're having a party. It was that fast.
Wow. All those nuts, the flavors of pistachios and almonds and pecans. What was the fourth nut?
Pecan? No. Pecan,
Pistachio,
walnut.
Walnut, pecan, almond.
Almond. That's it.
They're good.
That was really good. So you could do any combination you want.
I didn't know these came in pre-made, and super cool other recipe ideas in the back, which we're going to have to give a try.
Have to try. Now you can just get phyllo dough too, and that's also in the freezer section right next to these.
Wow.
So I like
Delicious.
that. I love that small treat.
This was quick. How long
I
did
know.
it take?
Not long at all. 30 minutes maybe.
Pretty cool.
Not even.
Fun recipe.
All right.
First time.
First time. Yeah, that's right. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you like and enjoy it. And we'll see you next time. Now, hang on. Not like and enjoy. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
I'll get it right.
Let's try that again.
Yes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, the recipe will be in the description box. Just click on the title, it'll open up, and the recipe will be right there. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Yeah, okay.